Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the noise in the background. You might hear airplanes and birds and all that. I have the window open because it's such a cool breeze. Recently in New York, it's been humid, nasty, like sweaty. Like you won't even move and you're sweating. So I'm taking advantage of this cool breeze because it feels amazing. Well, I haven't filmed and uploaded a video in like 2 weeks. And I was sick for like a week. I couldn't film, and you know, just life gets in the way at times. So today, this video, sorry for the noise, oh my god, and sorry if it's like kind of dark. Hopefully it's not dark. This video is going to be just to get ready with me, and I'm going to be using the May products from my Boxycharm since I didn't film a review on this, and I didn't review the Ipsy either. I didn't review these two because that's when I was sick. Even though I didn't do a video for Ipsy, I did a little mini review on the products that I received on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, you should, because if I'm not on here and YouTube, then I'm mostly on those social media since I'm there on a daily basis. Well, let's just get into this. Okay, so last month it was like a pamphlet. Now it went back to just this card right here. One thing that is different though is that whatever coupons you receive, because usually it was this and like a couple of coupons, they put the coupons right here. This month's theme is Boxy Bash, party, you know, anthem. Ooh, ooh. I have not used any of these products because I wanted to use them on camera for you guys. So opening this bad boy up, the first item I'm grabbing is a Cover FX blurring primer. It says it's a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a soft canvas for flawless foundation application. Retail price $38. Okay, just this one item is more than the whole box. All right then. Okay, so I'm gonna clip my hair. I have to take this out my face. I haven't used a clip like this in so long. It's so old school. So before applying the Cover FX primer, I am going to use my hydrating treatment from H2O Beauty. Put this all over. I need to moisturize my face. Dry skin problems. Let that sink in a little bit. Oh my god. Do you guys watch Riverdale? If you do, that season finale, like really guys, it's so good. I love Riverdale. Oh my goodness, it's like it brings the old school vibe with the new school because it's like it has the old school music and the way they dress and the place they go to is like vintage, you know, like back in the days, but you have a phone and certain things like we do now. So it's like they merged the two together and it's so awesome. I know it's from the comics, the Archie comics. Now I'm gonna apply the primer. Coming up. So this is dark. It has a weird texture to it. When I squeeze it out, it looks like foundation coming out because it's not clear or white like usual. I have a few pores right here and it does fill it in. I'm like, wow, amazed. And my face feels really smooth. So far I'm liking it. The little pores that I did have right here, this filled it in. I have those smile lines from on my forehead and here. I smile a lot. I make so many expressions. If you fill that in, this is just magic. I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm not gonna do that. I will be using some concealer, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer in light beige. Kind of looks a little too pink for me. I'm gonna put this all over like I'm doing my foundation. This concealer is light coverage, so this is great for when you want to do like a no makeup look. So the next item is this right here from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Ink Gel Eyeliner. Highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Retail price $24. Then I have to grab this as well. This is the 3-piece eye trio from Aesthetica. Retail price $45. We have the spoolie brush, then the angled eyeliner brush, as well as the fine tip eyeliner. This one right here. I love having spoolies. I want to see how this is. Spoolies are everything. Yes. Brush the brows. This is awesome. I'm liking that already. It's just simple, but like it. Now this angle brush is kind of thick for my liking. For eyeliner, it's just so thick. I don't know if I would use it for that. But then again, if you're doing a thick wing, this would be good. This right here is the eyeliner brush, the fine tip. I think that would be awesome for something simple and small. So let's pull this in because I'm going to use this with this brush right here. And I'm not going to do anything for my eyes. I'm just going to leave it simple. This 3-piece trio I am really liking. One, you can never go wrong with the spoolie. It's like, it's a must. Then this right here, this fine, what is it called? The fine tip eyeliner brush. Amazing to do a wing. Oh, great. It's flexible. Do a small liner, you can do a big liner, just flexible on the way you want it to be shaped. This I have to see what I'm gonna use this for because it says an eyeliner, but to do a wing, no, it's just too thick. But like to buff out on the lower lash line or on the top, yeah, I see it, like that would be good. So this is a yay for me. Also a yay for me. I love this from the packaging to the product itself because it's so creamy and it's pigmented. This is from Pur Sculptor Palette, 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Retail price $30. This is how it looks. So this is the highlight and this is the contour side. This is originator, trailblazer, inventor, founder. I'll be using this for contour and this for highlight. Nice little mirror. Packaging is simple but cute. We also have a brush from Aesthetica, again the B12 face brush. It says it's a powder brush, $27 the retail price. You can use this for under the eyes and around, but I want to use this for contour. I want to just use it to see if it works, you know. My god, it's getting dark. I know the lighting is so off. I'm so sorry. Okay, I just checked and this looks, it looks darker more on camera than it looks here. That's kind of weird, so I'm not gonna apply no more because that just scared the crap out of me. I'm gonna take my real contour brush that I have right here and just blend. I didn't apply so much of this contour, one because on camera it looks dark as hell. I have hardly nothing, right?
No,
like,
it really doesn't look like shit on. It looks like it's just natural.
It looks natural, but here it looks darker than anything.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, right. It looks like I have like it looks like muddy, kind of, right?
Yeah, why?
I'm gonna apply the highlight. Can you see it on camera? I can't see shit. But it looks nice though. Oh no, you can see it. Yeah, right there. Ooh, yeah, now you're seeing your girl. I'm liking the highlight more than the contour a little bit. But no, it look that bad though, the contour now.
Go to the other cheek. It's only that
this
cheek. What the fuck?
This cheek is the bad cheek. It's my pimple. This brush, only for powder, not contour. Don't do it. I am liking this, but I like the highlight way better. The contour, no, really the contour kind of, I think maybe it was the brush that I was using. This, like I said, for powder, like it says, not contour. I just want to see if it works. It could be a multi-brush, but it's not. It's not. So this is a yay for the powder because it's soft on your skin. For multi-purposes like contour, no. I'm liking this. It was just, you know, a little bit hard in the beginning. It looked muddy and patchy, but it was because of the brush, not because of the product. The last product, it's a collab with Beauty Creation and Boxycharm. It's a liquid lipstick gloss. $10. It's a gloss. I got hype. I like the packaging. It's really cute. You see? Look at him. It's called Sweetheart. I'm kind of disappointed just because it has long wear matte lip gloss, and when I apply it, it does not look like a lip gloss at all. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss. It doesn't look like a lip gloss. Just don't say lip gloss because I'm thinking it's gonna shine. But I like the color. For my lashes, I'm gonna curl them, and then I'll be using the waterproof length and volume mascara from e.l.f. The overall price of May's box is $174, but I only spent $21, so that is awesome. Now the 3 items that I'm mostly excited for is the Cover FX primer, this right here from Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel liner, and then the 3-piece trio I'm loving. The ones I'm not really excited for, I'm liking this too, but I didn't use it for powder, so it's just like okay for right now until I really use it for what's meant for. This, it's okay. I'm not wowed about it, but it doesn't look bad. The only reason why I'm not so excited for it because it says lip gloss, and I thought it was gonna have some type of gloss to it, but it's not. But the color is nice, and even though it's matte, it does feel great on the lips. And then this, I'm okay with it. It doesn't wow me, but the contour more doesn't wow me. Now the highlight that I use, if I can take this out and just keep that highlight right here, I would say it's great. That's everything in the box. So this video was all over the place. I'm sorry about that. Hopefully the lighting looks good, but I did this late and I just wanted to get a video up because I didn't record for like 2 weeks. Well, so if you like this video, please give my video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, click that button. Any comments, you know what to do. Comment below and I'll answer you. And yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Lightweight soft primer. What? A lightweight soft... say hi to the people. Hey. Oh my god, why you look so cute for?
Why should be the actual Hispanic?
Where? I know she...
you know the girl, you know what I mean.
Hey girl! Okay, now it's better. Drop the mic. The trio blushes. The 3-pleat. What the hell is wrong with me? Damn, Layla, you look mad dark back there. Yes, honey, with that tan.
Well, like your titty and shit.
I know.
She was out to my
Wait.